I'm so sorry. I am so glad that I bought this new toaster. This old one that I had, it caused me a lifetime of stress that I'm never gonna get back. I'm gonna need like intense therapy to get over this struggle. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to recover from this. Everyone should buy this toaster. It is 10 times better than any other toaster on the market. You will get so much satisfaction from this new toaster, I guarantee it. My dog, he agrees with me, you know? He loves this toaster. I make him toast every morning with that toaster. Everyone should buy this toaster. Pardon my dog.